xaaladayna hadda ma qiyaasno waxaan haysana ma lahan beeri iyo wixii dhan waa ka soo tagnay hadda magaalada aan joogna waxaan anaga hadda aan haynana ma lahan
inta maanta le saddexda maanta ii joogan cunugteena faqdara iga haysa hadda laakiin ma sha Allah caanaha la siinaya fitamiin ma sha Allah hadda isheeda way iroonta.
Desperate mothers and children seek help as Somalia's humanitarian crisis deepens. At an outreach center set up by SOS Children's Village on the outskirts of the capital, Mogadishu, newly arrived internally displaced persons, IDPs, are being assisted. Somalia is facing yet another humanitarian crisis driven by relentless drought, conflict and widespread food insecurity. Once again, the dire situation is forcing thousands to flee their homes and join millions of others in IDP camps in search of survival. Nuno Hassan, a 32-year-old mother of 7, left by Doha for Mogadishu after losing all her livestock.
maya wax qof banaga maalinsan adooga naga xanuunsanay marka iimaanay waxaan ku imaaday SOS xarunta inaan oo weedkayga xanuunsan inay qaabishaan u imaanay muslimka ay sheegay in meeshan daawo laga bixinayo xarunta SOS meeshan ay qaabilsan tahay dadweynaha ay sheegay.
Over 1.7 million children face acute malnutrition and nearly 500,000 are at risk of dying. This is not just a crisis. It's a race against time. SOS Children's Village is on the front lines, delivering healthcare, nutrition and protection to the most vulnerable. However, the challenges are mounting and the needs are overwhelming.
waxaa aad u soo badanaya caseska leh nafaqa darrada noocyada kala duwan taasoo maalin kasta ku soo kordhaysa bukaanada aan u adeegna ama beneficiarieska aan adeega siina.
In addition to the climate-related hardships, recent humanitarian aid cuts have disrupted operations in Somalia, severely affecting the crisis response. Major donors who have traditionally supported SOS Children's Village have been impacted by these funding cuts. SOS Children's Village is now urgently appealing for support.
What we seriously need right now is to bridge the gap that was left by the funding cuts. So we need to maintain a level of funding that can be able to enable us to maintain our current activities.
Despite these financial challenges, SOS Children's Village continues to assist vulnerable communities through its outreach and referral centers. Hundreds of patients, mostly mothers and children, are being treated at referral facilities in Mogadishu, Baidoa and other centers across Somalia.
haddaan aan intii maa lahayn aan daryeelkaas aan ogaa lahayn waa hadda reerkan taagan ama taagnaa lahayn xanuun ma dhamaaday maxaa la aqaan jiro aan arki lahayn alxamdulillah hadda waa aan fiicannahay wax dhibna ma ku qabnay.
We are trying as much as possible to make sure that the mortality and the morbidity rates are actually reduced by virtue of our interventions. And last year alone, SOS has managed to provide life-saving assistance to 1.6 million people in the region where we work, and this has significantly contributed to reduction in morbidity and mortality in the country.
Together, we can turn despair into hope. Join SOS Children's Villages Somalia now, because every life matters.